Hi everybody, I'm Tim Bulott and welcome to WeaponsAcademy.com. Today we're going to look at the Smittybilt GEN2 Overlander tent. Now we just got this tent in and we've got it set up on our trailer here. We'll talk about the trailer on another video, but for right now we're going to take you around the tent and show you some of the features of this new and improved GEN2 series by Smittybilt. Okay, so the tent easily attaches via these rails to the rooftop rack or the trailer rack, whatever you have. And the rails, there's a total of 2 rails and they're held in place by a total of 4 bolts through the floor. Very easy assembly. And these mounting brackets included. Okay, simply insert the bolts into the rails and bolt the bracket around the rail and you are good to go. Very easy, about a 20-minute job. Now as you can see on this, the rainfly is fully expandable, which I believe is an improvement over the Gen1 Smittybilt tent. Okay, and this is supposed to be, I do believe it's supposed to be rated for 4 seasons, but it does expand, or you can collapse it how you like to kind of customize it for the weather. So also this is an upgrade on the ladder. I'd never opened the Gen1, but I'm told this is an upgrade, taking you up to the entryway, and it's just an expandable telescoping type ladder. The cover is held in place by a zipper, okay, as opposed to the previous version that was held in place by Velcro. So you can see it attaches here and it's very, very easy to attach. Heavy duty cover included with it, and it takes a matter of seconds to get it opened. I like the fact that they included this shoe bag. Okay, this came with the tent. As you can see, it attaches up underneath, okay, by these Velcro straps to those D-rings, so you can easily climb up inside, take your shoes off without getting them inside the tent, hang them in this bag for the night. Okay, so a look inside the tent, you can see we've got pockets on the sidewall on both sides for storage, and at the top also, as you can see, we've got it closed right now. There's a fully mesh enclosed sunroof. Okay, so you open that and it's clear plastic on the outside. Got these red straps for safety straps upon entry, and then ventilation on both sides. So we've got a vent on each side of the tent. Okay, so the mattress is 2-inch foam, but it is a very dense foam, and you can see it fully encompasses the inside of the tent. Now on the version 1, I was told that you would need to add memory foam for comfort. I found that on this version, I'm 6 foot, 190 pounds, and the mattress supports me just fine. I cannot feel the hard floor through the mattress when I'm laid out on the mattress. And overall, inside, there's easily enough space for 2 campers and also a bit of gear. You don't want to put your whole kit up there, but you've got plenty of space to sustain yourself with enough equipment to get you through the evening time, no problem whatsoever. Okay, so the tent, it's comfortable. Okay, so we haven't used it on an expedition yet, but we've got Expedition 59 coming up, which we're heading out in July. So we'll be living out of this rig for 2 weeks this time. Like I said, the idea is we can drop this for base camp, and from there we can move about in the Jeep without having to tow. And then once again, we've got the trailer rig, so we've got sufficient ground clearance if we can take it on semi-primitive trails. And we'll get into that in another video. But anyway, here in a couple weeks, we're gonna give it about 2 weeks of living. So we'll be back with more video on the Smittybilt Gen2 Overland tent.